Hello, my wonderful audience. How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, along with
Rose Helen.
And today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to chop okra in a blender, okay? So I have my blender right here. I have so many ways to use this blender right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be using it another way today, okay? So this is my okra right here. Let me raise my hand so I can show you guys the okra. This is the okra. This is how the okra look like. I hope you guys gonna see this. Just let me know in the comment section if you can see this, okay? So this is my okra right here, and I'm about to chop my okra. So like, instead of using a knife to cut it one by one, I'm just gonna be putting it right in here to chop it. So stay tuned. Yeah. So today's gonna be my first time using this particular.
Yeah, and today is a holiday.
Hold on, mommy. Today's gonna be my first time using this particular stuff right here. Yeah, since I bought it, it's brand new. I'm gonna use it for the first time today. But I've been using the blender, but I've not chopped anything in the blender yet. So this is the blender right here. Whenever you finish using your blender, you gotta unplug it to be on the safe side. So this is the top of the blender right here. Yep. This is the blade for the blender right here. So today I'm not using this blade. I'm not using this blade today. So I'm gonna take this blade out. How to take the blade out? This is the blade right here. Okay. So this is the blade. I'm gonna take this blade out right here. So I'm not using this blade. You gotta keep this blade away from kids, even yourself. You gotta be very careful how to handle this blade because it's sharp. Put it right here. I'm still gonna use this, okay? So this is what I'm gonna be using to chop my okra with today. So this stuff we can use it two different ways. If you want to grind something, you're gonna use it this way right here. This side gonna be up. If you want to grill something, let me say grind something, this side gonna be up. I'm gonna make a particular video about that, but today I'm gonna be chopping, so I'm gonna put this side up, okay? I'm gonna be I'm slicing, so I'm putting this side up. Yeah, I'm slashing, so
Yeah.
then in here,
Yeah.
I got a top right here. I'm gonna be putting the top on here. Oops, guys, you gotta be careful. I hope I'm doing it the right way, guys. Is it right?
Hi, everyone.
Hold on.
Good up.
Then I'm gonna put this stuff in the wall right here for you guys to see. So
Seniors can't go to babysitter.
guys, I got a 5-year-old baby girl who don't want to go to babysitter. She said, how old are you? 5 years old, you don't want to go to babysitter, baby girl? Sorry, mom, we don't have no choice, but we gotta go. So I'm gonna press this right here. Oh my god, this is really fast. So when you put this stuff in there, oh, I hope you guys gonna see this. Guys, can you see this? Just press the, if you want it to be low, just press the, what did I do? Guys, hold on. So you're just gonna close it. Oh my God, this is really nice, y'all. So if you want to close it, you can close it. It's okay. If you don't want to, no, I'm using the light. No, I'm using the light to make my video. Be fast.
Wait!
Be fast.
Look. When I turn off the light.
Yeah.
Mom! Look.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Hold on.
I just get the mirror.
Hold on, okay? Hold on.
I just get the
Guys, you can believe this. This is amazing. You gotta pack all your stuff. Pack all your stuff. So guys, you can believe this. Let me unplug it real quick. So guys, this is the amazing result right here. This is how I slash my onions. Oh my God, I'm getting to like this blender. This is gonna be the best blender ever. Guys, have you seen this? Yeah. So this is the slash okra right here. This is the slash okra right here. This is how I slash my okra in blender. Just in case you want to see, this is the slash okra. Can you see this, y'all? I like the way it slashes. Yeah, this is how I slash my okra in the blender. Very nice and good. Yeah. So I'm gonna be making fried okra. Yeah. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think, okay? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We love you so much.